Good morning, all. Today we will discuss methods of solving differential equations. How many methods are there to solving differential equations? That are mainly it will have variable separable method, exact differential equation, linear differential equation, Bernoulli's differential equation. After that, here it will have homogeneous differential equation. After that, non-homogeneous differential equations also there. In your ESET examination point of view, it will contains 2 to 3 marks syllabus that are mainly appeared in variable separable method. After that, linear differential equation and exact differential equation. These three topics are very important for your exam point of view. I will discuss total in this video. Listen carefully. The general solution of here the question is in the form of x and y's, xy square plus x into dx plus yx square plus y into dy is equal 0 is A, B, C, D options are given. Then how to solve this problem? Means you can consider that problem xy square plus x into dx plus yx square plus y into dy is equal 0. First you have to check same variables are separable or not. If it is separable, we will use variable separable method. Otherwise, we will go to next method, exact or linear or Bernoulli, like that. So you can take here common x is common, y square plus 1 into dx is there. Here y is common, x square plus 1 into dy is equal 0. So same variables are separated here. Bring this one into x side, y this side, then it will belongs to the x dx by denominator part by x square plus 1 plus y dy by y square plus 1 is equal to 0. Then you can take both sides integration. Then what happen? Integral this one, integration this one, integral 0 x dx. So you can take denominator part f of x, that is x square plus 1. F dash of x is nothing but here 2x is there. Above part 2 is not there. Here 2 is not there. X dx is there. 2x dx means 2 is not there. So for that you can multiply and divide 2. 1 by 2 integral 2x dx by x square plus 1 plus here 1 by 2 integral 2y dy by y square plus 1. Integral 0 means constant. So this one is nothing but 1 by 2 is common here and here. Then f dash of x by f of x is nothing but log of x square plus 1 plus here log of y square plus 1 is equal to, this is also you can write constant log c. Constant you can write as a log c. So 2 belongs to this side. Log of a plus log b is nothing but x square plus 1 into y square plus 1 is equal to log c. E 2 itu poina kuda log c whole to the power of 2 means log c only. So log cancel, x square plus 1 into y square plus 1 is equal to c. This is your solution. That one is appeared in option C. So this is belongs to the variable separable method. Why? Because same variables are separated here, and we are performing just integration. It is very easy method among all. Same variables we have to separate and integrate just. Then we will go to exact differential equation. In this exact differential equation, in this exact differential equation, its quotient is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 form. ఈ ఫామ్లో ఉంటుంది క్వశ్చన్. సో యూ కెన్ కన్సిడర్ దిస్ m and you can perform dou m by dou y. You can take here n, you can perform dou n by dou x. When these two are equal, dou m by dou y is equal dou n by dou x, then you can confirm this is exact differential equation. So ఈ మెథడ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు m తీసుకోవాలి, n తీసుకోవాలి, దాన్ని డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాలి. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ అయితే అది ఎగ్జాక్ట్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అని కన్ఫర్మ్ చేయాలి. Exact differentiation. So for this general solution is integral m dx. X should be here, y should be constant, plus integral n dy here independent of x is equal to c. This is the solution for exact differential equation. We'll see problems on this topic. Here, one problem, 2xy dx plus x square into plus 3y square into dy is equal to 0. Solve this problem. Then this is nothing but m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 form. ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ని వైని కామన్ తీయరాదు, తీస్తే ఏమైంది, అది వేరియబుల్ సపరబుల్ మెథడ్ ఇది. సో కామన్ తీయరాదు కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఈ మెథడ్లో చేస్తున్నా. m ఎంత 2xy, n is equal to x square plus 3y square. You can take here dou m by dou y, partial differential equation. y తోటి చేసినప్పుడు x is treated as a constant, so 2x, y means 1. dou n by dou x, x square 2x అయింది, y 0. So in this case dou m by dou y is equal dou n by dou x. So it is belongs to the exact differential equation. Then solution for this is integral m dx y constant plus integral n dy x independent, అంటే x లేని టర్మ్స్ రాయాలి, is equal to constant. Take this problem, y is constant అంటే 2y ముందట రాస్తున్న ఇంటిగ్రల్ x dx ప్లస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఆఫ్ x అంటే x లేని టర్మ్, x ఇక్కడ ఉందా, ఇది 0. సో ఈ టర్మ్ను మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. 3y square into dy is equal to c. So here 2y x అంటే x square by 2 integration, 3 is constant, y cube by 3 is equal to c. 3 cancel, 2 cancel. So y x square plus y cube is equal to c. This is your answer. Some more problems we will discuss same way. So take another problem. Here 6x square minus y plus 3 into dx plus 3y square minus x minus 2 into dy is equal to 0 is there. So this is m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 form is there. So you can take here m is equal 6x square minus y plus 3, n is equal 3y square minus x minus 2. dou m by dou y, y తోటి చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి 0. This is the minus 1, 0, constant 0. So here dou n by dou x, ఇది yలలో ఉంది 0, xలో ఉంది -1, 0. So here -1. So dou m by dou y is equal dou n by dou x. So it is a exact differential equation confirmed. Now you can solve this one. Integral y should be constant y, 6x square minus y plus 3 into dx plus x independent terms, x లేని టర్మ్స్ని క్వశ్చన్లో తీసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ x లేదు, సో 3y square. నెక్స్ట్ x ఉంది, అది తీసుకోవద్దు, కాన్స్టెంట్ -2 into dy is equal c. So here 6x cube by 3 integration of this one x square x cube by 3 minus y is constant x plus 3x plus here 3y cube by 3 minus 2y is equal c. This is your answer. 3 ones are 3 twos are here 3 ones are 3 twos are. Remaining is your answer. Just you have to confirm is it exact differential equation or not, then you can solve that one. Next problem, you can consider e power y into dx is plus e power y dy plus 2y plus x e power y into dy is equal 0. So you can take here m is equal to e power y, n is equal to 2y plus x e power y. Dou m by dou y is nothing but e power y only. Dou n by dou x is nothing but dou n by dou x. Here y 0, x means 1, e power y. So dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So it is exact differential equation. So solution for this is integral e power y dx, y is constant plus x independent terms, x ఉంది ఇక్కడ ఈ టర్మ్ మొత్తం తీసేయాలి. ఇంటిగ్రల్ x independent terms means 2y into dy is equal c. E power y is constant, integral dx means x plus here y square by 2 into 2 is equal c. 2 cancel. Your answer is x e power y plus y square is equal c. Like you can take another problem, 2xy minus sin x into dx plus x square minus cos y into dy is equal 0. So you can take here m 2xy minus sin x, n is nothing but x square minus cos y, dou m by dou y, y means here 2x, this is total 0, y means 1, here dou n by dou x, 2x, this is 0, so dou m by dou y is equal dou n by dou x. So this is exact differential equation. So it's a solution, integral 2xy minus sin x dx, here y should be treated as a constant, then x lane terms, x square is there 0, here minus cos y into dy is equal c. So here 2x square by 2 into y as it is, minus sin x integration minus cos x plus minus into minus plus here cos integral cos is sin y plus is equal to c. This is your answer. 2 cancel. Like we can solve exact differential equations. Now third method, linear differential equation. This is very important topic, 1 mark compulsory from this topic. So in this, how the question will be appeared, first that one we will discuss. Dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q form question will be appeared. Q form question will be appeared. Dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q form. Dy by dx plus p into y is equal to dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q form. The question will be appeared. In this case, you can note p value, here q value. After that you can find integrating factor. ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ని అడుగుతాడు నాన్న ఎగ్జామ్లో. ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ is equal formula e power integral p dx. After finding integrating factor, general solution is equal to y into integrating factor is equal integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. This is the method to solving linear differential equation. Very important in this section. This one is very important topic. So we will discuss problems on this one. So the general solution of dy by dx plus y into cot x is equal to cos x is equal to cot x. The general solution of dy by dx plus y into cot x is equal to cos x ఈజ్ డాష్ ఇలా వస్తుంది. సో నౌ క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ ఇన్ dy by dx ప్లస్ p ఇంటూ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు క్యూ ఫామ్లో ఉంది. వాట్ ఈస్ p వాల్యూ? p ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ హియర్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద cot x. q value you can take this one is cos x. Then you have to find first integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx. So e power integral p means cot x dx. Cot x dx. Cot x and the integral cot x is nothing but log of sin x. Log of sin x. So e log cancel. Your option is sin x. Now the general solution is y into integrating factor is equal integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Y into integrating factor ఏంటి ఇక్కడ sin x is equal to integral q ఏంటి? q means cos x, integrating factor sin x into dx plus c. Now you can take here sin x is equal to t and differentiate this one, cos x dx is equal dt. So this part is integral t into dt plus c, that is nothing but t square by 2 plus c. What is t? Sin x. So sin x whole square by 2 plus c. Y into sin x is nothing but sin x whole square plus c. This is your corresponding answer. We will see next problem. dy by dx plus y into cot x is equal 4x into cosec x. Find general solution another question. So you can take here p value, dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q form. P value into cot x, q value into q value 4x into cosec x, 4x into cosec x. So now integrating factor is equal e power integral p dx. So e power integral cot x dx. So cot x అంటే తెలుసు కదా, log of sin x. Log of sin x. E log cancel. So your option is sin x. Now the general solution is y into integrating factor is equal integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into integrating factor అంటే sin x is equal to integral q into q into 4x into cosec x, 4x into cosec x into sin x dx plus c. Sin x cosec x cancel, 4 into integral x అంటే x square by 2 plus c. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. So y into sin x is equal to 2x square plus c. This is your general solution. We will see one more problem on this topic. It is very very important for your ECET examination point of view. So one more question here. dy by dx minus y into tan x is equal e power x into sec x is there. Sec x. Solve this question. So dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q form. So p is equal to minus tan x, q is equal to e power x into sec x, e power x into sec x. So now integrating factor is equal e power integral p dx, e power integral minus tan x dx. So minus tan x ante e power log of cos x. So e log cancel, your answer is cos x. Now the general solution is y into integrating factor is equal integral q into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into integrating factor means cos x is equal to integral q e power x into sec x into cos x dx plus c. Cos sec cancel. Why? Because these two are inverse functions. Then y into cos x is equal e power integral e power x plus c. This is your solution. And next problem we will discuss dy by dx plus y into cot x is equal to cosec x. Cosec x is there. So here p is nothing but cot x, q is nothing but cosec x. Cosec x. So now integrating factor is equal e power integral p dx that is nothing but e power integral cot x dx. So e power log of this one is sin x, log of sin x. E log cancel, your option is sin x. So now the general solution is y into integrating factor is equal integration q into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into integrating factor is here sin x is equal integral q. Q means cosec x into integrating factor sin x dx plus c. Sin x cosec x is cancelled, integral dx x plus c. Y into sin x is equal x plus c. Like this, many more problems we will discuss in your class section. So very important topic this one, 1 mark compulsory in your ESET examination. Thank you all. So now last and final method, Bernoulli's equation we will discuss. Now Bernoulli's equation, the question is outside here dy by dx plus p into y is equal to ఇక్కడ q తో పాటు y కూడా మళ్ళీ వస్తుంది, y to the power of n ఫామ్లో వస్తుంది. ఈ y to the power of n ఫామ్ ఇటు తీసుకెళ్ళి దాన్ని లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ లీనియర్ ఫామ్లోకి మార్చాలి. లీనియర్ ఫామ్లోకి మార్చినాక ప్రీవియస్ సొల్యూషన్ చేయాలి. సో క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి, సాల్వ్ dy by dx plus y into cot x is equal to y square into sin square x. చూడండి y to the power of n, ఇక్కడ y square. ఇలా వచ్చినవన్నీ బెర్నౌలీ ఈక్వేషన్. ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే y టర్ము రైట్ సైడ్ ఉండదు. దీనికి రైట్ సైడ్ y టర్మ్ వచ్చిందంటే దీన్ని లీనియర్లోకి మార్చాలి. ఫస్ట్ మార్చాలంటే ఈ y స్క్వేర్ని లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ తీసుకురండి. 1 by y square into dy by dx plus y by y square into cot x is equal to sin square x. ఒక y క్యాన్సల్. 1 by y square into dy by dx plus 1 by y into cot x is equal to sin square x. ఇక్కడ ఏది ఉంటే దాన్ని v అనుకుంటాను, ఏది ఉంటే అది v అనుకోండి. లెట్ us assume 1 by y is equal to v. Then differentiate with respect to x. Then 1 by y square into dy by dx is equal minus dv by dx. Minus dv by dx. ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. సో minus 1 by y square into dy by dx is there, minus dv by dx. This is nothing but plus v into cot x is equal sin square x. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది కదా, మైనస్ని కామన్ తీస్తే dv by dx minus v into cot x is equal sin square x minus sin square x. This is nothing but linear differential equation. dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q ఫామ్కి వచ్చేసింది లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఇక ఇది ప్రీవియస్ మోడలే. ఈ 2 స్టెప్స్ ఎక్స్ట్రా, బెర్నౌలీకి 2 స్టెప్స్ ఎక్స్ట్రా. సో దీన్ని ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి? p is equal మైనస్ cot x, q is equal మైనస్ sin square x. సో ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ is equal e పవర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ p dx. సో e పవర్ మైనస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ cot x, దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ e పవర్ మైనస్ లాగ్ ఆఫ్ sin x. ఈ మైనస్ పైకి వెళ్తే లాగ్ ఇది క్యాన్సిల్ అయింది, కోసెక్ ఎక్స్ అయింది. ఈడ మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి పైకి వస్తే కోసెక్ ఎక్స్ అయింది, కోసెక్ ఎక్స్. సో నౌ జనరల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఈస్ y ఇంటూ y ప్లేస్లో ఇక్కడ v ఉంది, v ఇంటూ ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ q ఇంటూ ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ dx ప్లస్ c. v ఇంటూ ఇంటిగ్రేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏంటి? కోసెక్ ఎక్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ q మీన్స్ sin square x minus sin square x into cosec x dx plus c. సో cosec ఒకటి sin క్యాన్సిల్ అయింది, మైనస్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ సైన్ ఏమిది? మైనస్ కాస్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ అయిపోద్ది, కాస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ సి. v ఇంటూ cosec x is equal ప్లస్ కాస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ సి. మైనస్ ఇక్కడ ఇంటిగ్రల్ సైన్ ఏమైందంటే మైనస్ కాస్, మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ వి? 1 by y ఇంటూ cosec x is equal cos x plus c. Like this you can solve. బెర్నౌలీ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లీనియర్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఓన్లీ. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్, లీనియర్ వస్తే బెర్నౌలీ వచ్చినట్టే. మ్యాక్సిమం మీకు ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ లీనియరే అడుగుతాడు. బెర్నౌలీ చాలా రేర్. సో బెర్నౌలీలో వచ్చినా కూడా ఇక్కడ ఉన్న రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న y టర్మ్ని లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్ళండి. 1/y = v అనుకోండి. ఇలా లీనియర్ కన్వర్ట్ చేసి సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. దీంతో డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ వీడియోస్ ఫినిష్ అయినాయినా. దీన్ని బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. మనము ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్లో డౌట్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం.